What's up, guys? Welcome back to Drive 205. In the background, you see a boneyard of stuff. This is only maybe a fraction of what we have here. We have so many undone, what's the word? Unfinished.
Started projects.
Unfinished and started projects. Piece of crap Camaro. We got a really low mileage beat up Duramax. We have a Duramax Humvee. It's pretty dope, an actual hard body. 72 Nova. I think that one's gonna be coming in. The kind of plans for it are hopefully make a super fast drag car, pull a bunch of molds off of it, maybe make a fiberglass body, carbon fiber body. I don't know what his plan is. Comment down below what you guys think we should do. We're gonna go find a couple more projects that we'll show you. Here's another. We got another boneyard over here. This is a super clean, doesn't really look like it, but rust wise it is a super clean square body short box truck. These are actually pretty hard to find. I think it's lifted, obviously, and I think the plans are with this one basically just do a full resto on it, pull a box, you know, sandblast the frame, paint the whole body, everything like that, pull the fenders. I don't know if he's gonna take out the lift or not. It's kind of an iconic look, but it's actually pretty clean inside too. I believe it is all original, which is fairly hard to find.
Probably be the first one we bring in the shop.
Probably be the first one, but if you guys would like to see something else, let us know. We got so many other projects, it's insane. So
Oh my. Baby started right up. Look at that. She runs good. She runs really good. Hopefully paint it up, make it a really nice truck. But I'm gonna brush the snow off real quick. Pretty nice unit overall. It's actually in really good shape. The interior, which is usually one of the harder things to do, is already done, so
I like it. It should be a daily driver if it was mine, but
she's a 350. Big old power plant with the headers. What kind of headers are on this thing?
like Hedman.
Hedman headers.
I feel like this is a Survivor truck.
Survivor?
Yeah.
What do you mean by that?
That it's unrestored.
It's unrestored and still in decent shape.
Brand new crate motor in
And
it.
still clean.
Brand new crate
I
motor.
don't think so.
I thought that's what somebody said when we first got it in here.
Heck no, that's a good wrench 350.
Yeah.
It's a crate motor.
That bad boy is made in the Merc.
She's made in the 90s.
Yeah, she 90s. This ain't no 90s
Oh, she even
truck.
got AC on the rig?
Oh yeah, she's
100%.
got AC.
This is a going to town rig.
Guarantee you AC works.
Without being just rusted to pieces. I think
Yeah.
it's all original too, don't you?
It is original and in nice shape. That is something
Actually starts pretty good.
yeah, it started right up. Pumped it like 6 times and then it started right up.
I mean, I just ran it last week and moved it over there, but I pumped it only 47 times.
Yeah, 40, yeah. Well, you gotta get double digits at least. Ooh, she's got long tubes on her.
Yeah, time to delete on the mufflers.
That's the first step we should do is cut them bad boys off.
I agree. I couldn't agree more.
It's got a clap.
Put that, doesn't you have another motor up there in the old shop?
What do you need that
Stroker
for?
motor?
Put a 383 in this big boy.
You ain't got nothing in the shop.
Let's put a 632 in it.
Got another small block up there.
It's blown up. The one with the drop valve.
Don't we have a big block?
No,
That's blown up too.
Oh, yeah.
no, this small block's, I don't think it's blowed up. It doesn't look like it.
That's that all original one out of the...
The one that came in the Black Nova?
No, that's blown up.
Yeah. Which one are you talking
Listen,
about?
I'll
Where
take
was
I'm
that.
it?
talking about the one in the Camaro. But we took out.
Oh, the motor out of the
Blown
Camaro.
up.
Well,
Yeah.
we'll get rolling.
remove the box.
With the 1 inch?
Yeah. Either they're gonna come out or they're gonna break off. So either way, it'll be better.
What about my hand that has to hold the wrench?
Well, you told me you're going to the gym, so you should be able to hold that.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to hold that against that. We'll try it.
We're all out of half-inch impacts around here.
Oh, okay. All right. Yesterday we got the front fenders off. Got the hood off, front fenders. We're gonna pull the core support off today. We pulled the box off. Today we're gonna pull the cab off and probably start cleaning up the frame, get all the stuff set out so we can start doing some body work to it, and then we'll start painting. That's a project for a couple days from now. All right, Nick, where are we at on this thing?
I found the harness we're looking for.
Fuel pump?
One runs to the back for lights. The other one runs, yeah, to that fuel pump, I would assume. But
Yeah.
it's getting there.
I don't know where that goes. Is that this?
I'm looking. We also have to figure this out.
I'm walking here. That I would cut, I don't even care. I don't know where it goes to.
Cut it. Just start cutting everything.
Okay.
This.
All right, where are we at?
Well, we're trying to jack the cab up right now, but
What's the issue?
our lift is being used up over there. So we're doing it the old-fashioned way.
But what's the problem with this?
We realize now that we've started jacking it up, when we get it high enough that we can't roll the chassis out because the jack stands are in the way. So
Yeah, so we don't know what we're gonna do once we get to that point, but we're just gonna get the cab up so we can figure out what else we gotta disconnect. And if we have to, we'll set it back down and take it off over there.
Yeah, but I mean, we're
I think we could figure out some way to get it off.
We'll figure it out.
Telehandler through the back window.
Kind of what I was thinking.
Yeah, from the door out.
We'll open up the slider.
Yeah, that's what I'm
And
saying.
then,
Stick
yeah.
the forks through and pop the windshield out and lift it up. We'll get it. We'll get it. Hey,
What happened?
where are we at?
Finally got the cab off after hours of deliberation.
It wasn't that bad.
So now we can start going through it and figuring out what we're gonna do. It needs a wash really bad.
Very badly needs a wash. She's dirty.
It's clean up really nice once she's washed, though.
Yeah.
But
Start getting everything ready to paint, I guess.
start taping off all of our sensors and stuff so we can pressure wash it all. Go from there.
Should go pretty quick.
Mm-hmm.
Holy cow.
Yeah,
We got
so
everything.
Finally
stripped
got the
down.
motor out. Sitting there, all nice and stock. I got the tranny and the T-case and power steering pump and all that stuff off. So now once Zach gets off his lazy butt and it decides to warm up outside a little bit, we can degrease and pressure wash and start getting the frame clean. But
Until then.
until then, pretty much at a standstill. We got something in the works.
Maybe we'll spice it up a
Maybe.
little bit.
Still undecided, but this is a really good option.
Maybe pull the spoolie boys off.
Maybe, yeah.
Probably pull the spoolie boys off for
I feel like this is more of a going to town truck, not a speedster, you know?
no, especially not with the lift on it.
No.
So
Yeah, it's
yeah,
kinda-
but we got a good aluminum block LS that I
Mhm.
think we're just gonna bolt in.
Yep.
Probably use the same. What is that thing? A turbo 350, turbo 400.
Turbo 350.
Oh, are you kidding me?
And probably some Holly system for electronics, but it's coming together.
Yo, yo, yo! What do you think of the truck?
Looks good to me.
Looks good.
Look good.
You drive this thing? Would you?
Day.
You drive this you just drove this in the shop, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Huh. Very nice. What are you working on? All right, well, have fun with that.
Hold on.
Take
What's up, guys? Back again. So guys, we finally got it all pressure washed and cleaned up. This is gonna be it for this video. In the next video, you should start seeing us start to sand it down and start.
And hopefully just get it finished. Hopefully it'll be finished in the next video. It'll come out in a couple weeks.
That would be nice, but yeah, we gotta get the frame painted now. But it's clean, so we have a nice clean slate to start working on.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.